Welcome to Ollie's Adventures, episode 2 of Crawling in the Caribbean. Today we'll be in Saint Vincent, and we are going to Darkview Falls with the SCX24, and the entrance to the falls is quite interesting. I think you guys will like it, so grab a snack, sit down, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So here we are walking through Chateau Blair. This bridge coming up, back in the day, there's when slavery was still allowed, the slaves used to walk on this bridge over to their plantations.
We are still on the hunt for the trail to Dark Falls, although we think at these big signs down here, oh, it's beautiful here, that this has, Darkview Falls with an arrow. Good thing we didn't take the cow path. We were just not too far from the sign. So, good signs. We found the sign. This is to the volcano hike that way, and to the Dark Falls this way.
So here we are on the trail to Darkview Falls, and here's some rocks that I'm going to attempt crawling on. Daddy said I could get over to this big one here, depending on my skills.
All right, let's see it.
See. Let's try a different attempt. My bumper seems to get stuck. Hey,
All right, third time to try it. Charm?
Let's try from here.
Okay, let's try from there.
Oh my god.
Well, I think, do you have it in low speed, maybe?
I always have it in low speed. Okay. What's gonna make that up? No.
Oh.
That was cool. Look how much that can. Woo! Look at how much it can climb up here. Let's see if I can actually. I landed. So here we are at Darkview Falls. This is the upper one, and then downstream, about the same height, there's another one. I'm going to swim at this one, then I'm going to do some more crawling at the bottom one. But this one's a little too wet. look okay. Nope. We're gonna turn into a turtle a few times.
Oh, it almost stayed on its front. Oh!
Oh. So that's all for today's video, episode 2 of Crawling in the Caribbean. Thank you for watching so much. Please like and subscribe. I'll leave you some footage of the bamboo bridge that I'll be crossing to go back to Killarney.